Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You're starting now? Plug the Chromecast into an available HDMI port and connect its power. Use the provided USB or wall adapter so it gets stable 5V power. Turn the TV to that HDMI input. You should see the Chromecast welcome screen. Once you see the prompt, open the Google Home app on your phone or tablet. Make sure your device is on the same Wi-Fi network you want the Chromecast to use. You're ready for the device discovery step. Follow the app prompts to add a new device. Now you'll let the app find the Chromecast. In Google Home, choose Add, Set Up Device, then New Device, and pick your home. The app searches and should show the device name. Match the 4-digit code on your TV with the app to verify you're connecting to the correct dongle. Grant location and local network permissions when prompted. These let the app configure Wi-Fi. Next, select your Wi-Fi network and enter the password. Name the Chromecast so it's easy to identify when casting from apps. Finish by testing a cast. Open YouTube or Chrome, tap the cast icon, choose your Chromecast, and play a video, confirm audio and picture. If audio is missing, make sure TV volume and HDMI audio settings are correct, and try a different HDMI port. Some TVs require adjusting sound output. Once done, enable guest mode if others need to cast without Wi-Fi. If setup fails, power cycle the Chromecast and router. Then retry the Google Home setup. That simple restart.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.